Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I like doing unboxing and try on videos from clothing subscription services. So if you like those kind of videos, please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you join me. And for my returning subscribers, thank you and welcome back. Now, I am super excited about today's video. Several reasons. The first reason, of course, Natalie Attired. I love Natalie Attired. I'm really enjoying her service. And the second reason is I am recording this on my brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. And my old phone was an iPhone 8. So I'm excited to see if there's going to be a big jump in video quality. I'm hoping there is. That's how they are marketing this iPhone 11 as better phone quality or better video quality and improved sound. And so, yeah, I'm really excited about using my new iPhone. Okay, and the third reason I'm excited is because someone used my link for Natalie Attired for the first time. And I just wanted to give you a big hug and say thank you so much. Her name is Vicky Tim, and she made a purchase. And if you're watching this video, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You don't know what that means to me, especially right now. My daughter's getting married, so money's really tight. So you gave me a $25 credit, so thank you so much. Very good timing. And leave down, if you're watching this, leave down in the comments down below if you kept anything and how did you like your Natalie Attired box. Just very interested in knowing. So thank you once again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if anyone else is interested in using my link, I will include it down below in the description box. And just like Vicky, you will get a $25 credit off your first box, and I'll get another $25 credit. So it'll be a win for both of us. Okay, so that's all the good news, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. Here it is. I already opened it. And I'll give you a little peekaboo inside. I have not unwrapped it. As you can see, it always has this pretty little tissue paper with the flower sticker on it. And here's a little peekaboo inside. Stuff is falling out today. Happens. Okay, let's get straight into the box and see what I got. I will be right back with the try on. Okay guys, I am back. I've tried everything on and I can't wait to go over everything with you. All together in the box, I received 5 items and there were 4 tops and 1 pair of pants. So we're gonna go straight ahead into the try on and go into this first top, which was a Renee C size medium. It's a sleeveless V-neck top for $42. Very lovely shirt. It fit very well. And it is a very lightweight shirt. And my stylist recommended that. Last month I bought a cardigan. So she recommended that I put the cardigan with this blouse. And I think it really paired nicely. I will try to include that clip too. But it's just a lovely blouse, very lightweight, flowy. It felt very nice against the skin. I like the curved hemline, as you can see here. And it just has these black and like gold lines going down the bottom or going down vertically. Yeah, a very lovely shirt. And this was the cardigan that I purchased last month off of them. And I've seen a lot of other YouTubers get that same cardigan and everybody ends up keeping that cardigan. Everybody falls in love with that cardigan. It is a great cardigan. It is just a perfect length, perfect size. It feels good against the skin. Most of the other people have got them in colors. I received mine in black, so it will pair back to a lot of shirts that I have. So I'm really happy with that cardigan that I purchased last month. Okay, and then I had most of the tops paired with this pair of pants. And this is a Liverpool Kelsey Petite Knit Slim Leg Pant for $89. Wow. First off, the color. I love the color. I don't know what you would call this, but I would say like a green, maybe an olive green. And these are in a petite, and I am 5'4", and guys, they hit me perfect. These pants fit me like a glove. I really enjoyed these pants. They are from the company Liverpool, and I don't own any Liverpool, but these are really awesome pants. I'm not going to keep them, and I can tell you right now why I'm not going to keep them, because they were more, I felt more businessy. That's not a word. They're more for business, office, dressy pants, I should say, trousers, I should say. Let me try to find some words here to describe these pants. And I'm a very laid back, casual kind of person. I don't work in an office. I would, of course, everybody needs a pair of nice trousers. So, but for $89 and for right now, I'm not going to purchase them. But I would give 2 thumbs up, guys. You can see the way they looked. I am 5'4". They hit right at a perfect length. So if you are that height, you can see how they would fit you. And if you do work in an office, I would buy these in a minute. They were so comfortable. They felt like pajamas on. I was really amazed at how awesome they felt on. So 2 thumbs up. They just did not fit my lifestyle. And I have some dress pants, and I pull them out of my closet maybe once or twice a year. So, you know, for $89, I'm not going to invest in them, but I would recommend them highly to somebody else who would need a pair of trousers. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with them at all. Nothing. I thought they were fabulous. And the other 3 shirts that she sent, 2 of them paired right back up with those pants. So I kept the pants on with all of them. I mean, she knew what she was doing. She's a stylist, right? Okay, so I think the next item that I paired it with was this top, and the colors picked up beautifully with the pants. I felt like if I worked in an office, I would be ready to go. Like, somebody just needs to hire me to go work in an office. But a lovely blouse. Let me tell you who this is by. This is by DNA Couture. And this is a 3/4 sleeve chiffon floral top for $32. Beautiful top, guys. I love the print on this, and it is very lightweight. They did say chiffon, right? And it does come down longer in the back. At a certain point, I do untuck it to show you how long it is. And it does have a rolled tab sleeve. And so I left one rolled, and I left the other one as a long sleeve top. Now, I would not purchase this one because it was very tight on my arms. And you guys might have noticed that I have talked about like things being tight on my arms, and I haven't shared this yet with you guys, but I guess I'm just in that kind of mood. I'm in a good mood today, so I'm just going to share a little bit more personal information with you guys. When how old was I? It was 12 years ago. I used to be a lot heavier. I actually weighed 265 pounds. And through diet and exercise, I took off 135 pounds, which I have kept it off all these years because I have completely made it a lifestyle for me. but it's safe to say this girl likes to eat, and I will insert a picture or two of me so you guys can see me back in my heyday. Yeah, I love food, and I still love food, guys. I did not have any surgery. I did it through diet and exercise, and I'm proud of that. Not to take away from anybody who has a weight problem and decides to do the surgery. I understand the want to do a surgery too. I'm just saying, for me, I was able to do it through diet and exercise. But anyway, long story. I've kept it off all these years, and I'm very happy. And the thing about, I was pretty fortunate. I do have a little bit of loose skin on my stomach and a little bit on my arms, but when I lost my weight, it took me a year and a half to lose 135 pounds. I basically hit like 10 pounds a month, so it was more slow. It wasn't like the Biggest Loser kind of weight loss. You know, mine was slow and steady. So I'm pretty fortunate, because now afterwards I've learned that you have less loose skin if you take the weight off slowly. But I still do have loose skin, and one of the things is my arms. They don't, you know, like I said, they don't, you know, like some people who lose weight, they get like really long, you know, droopy arms. I'm pretty lucky, and I do lift weights. I just want to tell you that too. But my arms are, just because there is extra there still, they are a little bit bigger. So the whole point of this was to tell you that you guys will see me say quite often, oh, it's a little tight in my arms, because I just have a little bit bigger arms just because of the extra skin. But I thought I'd share that little personal story with you guys, and you guys' mouth are probably hanging open going, oh my God. But yeah, that's one of my journeys in my life that I had to overcome, and I'm very passionate about health and fitness. And if anybody out there who's struggling, I want to say from me to you, hang in there. You'll get there. I had to try many times. I cannot tell you how many times I started a diet and failed. Started a diet and failed. But I stuck with it, guys. I never truly gave up. I gave up. I'd break my diet. I gave up. I'd break my diet. But then one time, for some reason, it just stuck. So don't give up. If you're not happy, if you're happy where you are, God bless you, you keep going. But if you were like me, I was not happy. My body hurt. I remember me and my husband, we still laugh. We got in this big argument one time because of a parking space. We pulled into this store, and there was a parking space 2 spaces closer to the door. And I was dead serious. I went off. I'm like, you know, my feet are hurting. You're making me walk 2 extras. And guys, I'm telling you, it's hilarious now. Me and my husband, we laugh. But when you're carrying that much extra weight, your body feels it. And it's a joke now that I had this complete meltdown over 2 parking spaces. But that's part of my journey. I was not happy at my weight. So if you are happy, good for you. You keep going. But if you're not, and you're desperate and you keep trying, I just want to say, hang in there. If you fail, try again another day. It's going to stick one day, because if you want it like I did, and I failed, I don't know how many times I failed, guys. I failed a lot. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Don't ever say, I can't do it. You can. You can, and you will. Okay. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna include everything I just rambled on in the middle of this video, guys. So we'll see what I end up keeping. But that's from the bottom of my heart, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. Okay, so now let's get back into the fun clothes, huh? Ooh, stop talking about all that stuff. All right, okay, here was the next shirt, guys. The style, I'm telling you, she knew what she was doing when she was pairing these pants. All these blouses went with these olive pants, these olive slacks. I thought this was a very beautiful shirt. I loved everything about this shirt, guys. Let me tell you about it. I get so excited, you know, when I try it. I just love the colors and the pattern. But who is this by? E&M. I never heard of them, but it's a 3/4 sleeve split neck floral top for $36. And it does come down longer in the back. It is super, 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 super soft. I really did like this blouse a whole bunch. And as you can see, once again, it paired up very nicely with the pants. I tuck it in, but then I untuck it. If I kept this, I would wear this with jeans. It's a very feminine floral top. And I think actually when I read her note, she said to use the floral top with the black cardigan. So maybe she was talking about pairing my cardigan, but I think the cardigan would have paired great with all these blouses that she included. But okay, that was that blouse. And now this last blouse does not pair with the, and you guys can probably guess, I really like this one. This is by Chris and Carol. I bought something from Chris and Carol. I think it was a dress. It was one of my first purchases off Natalie Attired, and I just wore that actually yesterday, and it's one of my favorite dresses that I wear. But this is Chris and Carol 3/4 sleeve leopard baseball top for $39. My first thought when I saw this, I thought of Kayla's Closet. I know I've seen this on somebody's video. It could have been on Kayla's Closet. I will include a link down below. Most of you guys, she's been doing this and she's got way more viewers than I do, but I will include a link down below if you don't know who she is. She's an awesome YouTuber and she does a lot of these subscription boxes. But she loves this kind of print, and I know she would love this shirt. She probably received it, and I can't remember if she liked it or didn't like it, but if she didn't like it, I'd be surprised because it's definitely her style, and it's my style too. So this is probably gonna be a big contender for me. I really did like this shirt. Yeah, so that was everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I didn't ramble on too much about everything, but I will leave a comment down below on what I ended up keeping. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.